Oh, I should put this in.
All right, made it to camp, getting everything set up. Lacey's gonna cook us some dinner. Got the bed set up. We installed our insulation kit so we can stay nice and warm. Once we get everything set up here, we will close everything up and get the heater going. What do you think about the heater, Lace?
Kick ass. Probably done, eh?
All right, brought the thermometer from home. Right now, inside the tune we just pulled in is reading 37 degrees Fahrenheit, 80% humidity. Once we get the heater cranked up, we will see if we can keep this warm. Outside temperature is supposed to be about 20 degrees tonight, maybe down to 15. So we'll see what happens. Have a little stew. Got the dog in here, got the heat cranked up. We're still at 35 degrees. Probably gonna take a while to get hot, but hopefully we stay warm. All right, heater's been running about 10 minutes and we are up to 56 degrees. Kubo's having some dinner. Lacey already had some dinner. We'll probably have round 2 here in a minute. All right, it's been about 20 minutes and it is up to 65 degrees, which is what we set the heater to. You won't be able to see that, but yeah, went heated up pretty quick there. Well, we've got some pretty hard frost on the top. This is the front of the tune. We've got some obvious gaps here. We're losing a lot of heat through the gaps. We're gonna pick up some weather sealing and see if we can fix that up. What are you doing? Oh, you're crazy. What are you doing? Oh, you're crazy. putting in some weather stripping to have less gaps around the tailgate and keep our heat in and the cold out.
What have you done so far?
Some weather stripping here, on the edges here, and the other side. That's about it. Should give us a tighter seal. As long as this adhesive holds. So we can stay warm.